Hello Aquarius, and welcome to your weekly reading for April the 13th through the 20th. You have the Othilla rune this week, the rune of prosperity. That's awesome. You got Chrysocolla, compassion, opens the heart to love, points to opportunities, cleanses the aura, and aligns the chakras, and it heals broken hearts. Then we have rhyolite, the meditation stone. Rhyolite is so interesting. It always has different patterns and colors. It brings tranquility, eliminates worry, enhances creativity, and focus on the now. It's known as the meditation stone. Then we have a citrine, which is known as the merchant's stone, which is brings financial abundance, creativity, enhances self-esteem. Okay, so those are good stones. Let's see what the cards have to say for you this week. Okay, we're doing a different spread today. Okay. You got the power place, earth connection, empowerment. Spending time in nature, grounding yourself. That earth connection will empower you. We have the counting coup card, victory. That's awesome. And we have Coco Pelli, the fertility card, meaning not just physical fertility, but planting seeds for the future. Okay, so let's clarify those. Those are all awesome cards already. See what the angels and ancestors have to say here. Okay, we have the mountains. Stand your ground. Interesting that both of those are earth cards. Trader, exchange energy to create abundance. And then we have on our Coco Pelli card, the direction guardian, choose your path. That's interesting because remember, you're planting your seeds. So you need to choose what direction, what path you want to go in. Okay, let's see what Sister Moon has to add. Okay, we have meditate and contemplate with your nature cards. So you're being asked to meditate, and that's where you will find peace, in nature, in a state of meditation. Then we have the victory card and the trader card, and a win-win outcome is forecast. That's awesome because it's on your victory card. Something good will happen this week. Then we have look at the bigger picture. So you're being asked to plant your seeds, choose that path, and look from a bigger picture. That's going to help you choose that path. You have to take everything into account. All right, Let's see what the spirit animals have to add. Owl spirit, you see clearly now. So you're being asked to spend time in nature, connecting with the earth, meditating and contemplating, and when you do that, you will see clearly. Okay, and then we have your victory cards. Very powerful here. And porcupine spirit reminds you that it's time for a beginner mind. That is how you will win. Go back to the time when you were a child. Everything was new and exciting. You did not already have these ideas placed in your mind. Your imagination could run wild. That is what is going to give you the victory there. Then we have buffalo spirit. The abundant universe will provide. That is awesome, because this is your fertility and choosing your path, looking at the big picture. If you do that, abundance will be yours. Okay, and then we're going to look at our stone people card. Is otter medicine. It says don't be too serious. Yes, you have some work to do, but right along with the porcupine spirit, where it's asking you to go back to being childlike, otter medicine reminds you to be playful, to have some fun, even in the midst of seriousness. You have to have that break. Okay, and then we have a new deck today. It's another spirit animal deck. And you got eagle. Yes, exactly. Eagle asks you to look at things from a higher perspective, to look at the big picture. So you're being asked twice here to take everything into consideration and look at the big picture. Look with the eye of an eagle. Okay. So that's awesome. So you need to spend some time in nature, meditating and contemplating, and that's going to bring you some clarity. When you do that, you will have victory. But you have to do that through becoming childlike again and seeing from a bigger picture. Okay, so your quote for this week: though we travel to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us, or we find it not. Ralph Waldo Emerson. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please stay safe. Take care of yourself and those around you. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.